So how do you turn off video when you are connected on Zoom on mobile? I'm going to show you how to do that now. I have a Zoom call which is working on my laptop, but I'm now going to join that Zoom call on mobile as well. So I'm going to click this on mobile to join. I'm going to type in the meeting ID and join. And so there I am on mobile. You can see me. I'm going to click call using internet audio. So here I am. I want to hide myself. Now notice when I clicked here, let me just mute myself here. Okay, first I'm going to mute myself on the call because that's the problem. So what I do is I just click down the bottom here, mute. Now I have muted myself. You can still hear me because you're hearing the video recording of me. So I'm muting myself. And then the second thing I want to do is I click just below my photo here on the phone, just below my picture here. I click on there and you can see I've got some options here to stop video, which I'm going to do now. Stop video. And now when I stop the video, you can see that my mobile photo is up there. Well, the video you're seeing is my laptop connection, but me on the mobile has disappeared. Now, here's me on the mobile again. Hello, on the mobile one. The mobile one is with the sun in the background, okay? That's the mobile me. Looking at me, looking at my mobile. Can you see that? So, very simple. Slide up beneath my photo. Just click beneath your photo here. And you get to see your options there to unmute, to stop video. In fact, you can even share content and view recipients and other things. I hope that helps. I'm now going to leave the meeting. Leave the meeting now. And that's the end of my demo.